Hey guys, let's do keto popcorn today. If you want a snack that you can be snacking on without feeling guilty, try this. You put your popcorn without adding oil or butter. Put your gas in the medium size. This has like number 6 level, so I put it on number 3. I will cover it, and after like 7 minutes it will start popping. So I'm just opening it to show you that it is popping. I will shake it, then I cover it again, open it again to see. Then you see the ones that are coming out, the ones that are popping. I will close it again. I will be opening it to show you guys that it is popping without burning. That's why you have to put it on a low heat or a medium heat, because this my gas is 6, so I put it on number 3. You see, after 10 minutes everything has finished popping, as you can see. So let's snack on it. So crunchy as well. Hope you will try this out. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and see you soon.